Last year never going well. New year I still can't tell.
So flag girl. 5:13 in the morning. I'm there I edit. For no. Can't we show any time? I think we can't show no. I think they lock off. But 5:13 in the morning. I'm there I edit. They movie for. So vlog girl, me a drive on me here something a while ago. Watch out. Me buckler. And I'm tired of that, you know. Me Jesus Christ, me not ready for change entire. Oh, then me can't go plug it. Me pussy clap, I'm afraid to pull it out, you know. I can pull it out. Frig it. Right, kid. I'm telling you, most boss. Yeah, man, I feel like I'm telling you, boss. Damn. So, vlog girl, but then I'm moving for go run some errands real quick. And no, I think I have to go to tire shop. Shit. Yo, go on. Me did one video on next piece of that fucking video something here. Me short film me and shoot me did one video on next piece. Right? So me da try link with the girl and link slime because slime the close. So try video the shit real quick, but it not work out. To pussy clot, it not work. Me tire just bust. And what kind of cross is this? You know what on, me too forward. You look like me have to go to a tire shop. My tire just bust. I'm going to stop at a tire shop real quick and try to see if I can get a new tire. Ja, no, when it's not one thing, it's the next, you know. Me pussy clot, man. Why you know my tire for bust, man? Me have some things more to deal with. Some bills to pay. I know tire one bust. So. But right now, as I said before, I'm going to deal with the tire, run some errands, link up with slime. I mean, I link up with Chloe. So she named in a movie. I try to link up back with Chloe and forward back for cook when I come home. I don't know, probably cook or get food. But hopefully, that tire not cost me a lot. Jeez. So we're back again. Look who is in the building. So, catch it pre. Me I give her a black eye. I use ashes. You see me? You never see this before. This is something new. Alright, hold it right there. We give her a black eye. I hear so brown, so it probably don't work, you know. Stop laugh. I'm going to educate her eye.
Wait, hold on. Huh? I don't know if my mother use makeup. I think my mother would use makeup more time. Can I ask her?
So you a black one? That look a little bit.
Makeup? Oh, okay.
Yeah, because that me I say we need something for sure, like eyeshadow. Yeah, ask her if she have an eyeshadow. Ask her if she have an eyeshadow. I forgot me have like, you know. I don't know how this good there, you know. You're too broad. Stop laughing, no? Alright, we think we can work with that little bit. Sing around and look at it. Turn on your phone camera. You look enough? No, I'm not putting enough. I just barely tap it. You look like. But you have to rub it.
Just box me one time.
No, me not box. You're so wrong with it, little girl.
No, for my face red.
Don't want you also look black up. See it there now. Alright. See it there now. Yo, we get it, dog. Yeah, look, come look. Yeah, actually you're brown, you know. But the camera, we have to go color it. Oh, yeah, man, it kind of look realistic. Alright, so yeah. No, me no punch her. Then it stop lying on me. Alright, come shoot now. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and just reach home. And run my errands them and do everything on for the change the tire. and all of that. I get a flat tire today. One piece of iron stick up in my back tire. Pan the road out there, so.
Here?
Yeah, I catch it on the video too. So, we there do it for vlog and I watch a movie. So, go and stay tuned. More vlog tomorrow. I'm still not done the short film. I probably made I edit it early in our vlog. Till now, it's still not done. When it's done, I'm going to make you know still. You see me? So, go and stay tuned. And we're doing it for the vlog. Where you up?
Cause you up.
And you have work. Yeah, edit.
Okay, but I can hear the clicking, so.
I try to fight to sleep. Sleep will bite me.
I know. I have a video of you sleeping. Because you told me you wasn't sleeping.
Yeah, video me for. Me feel asleep. Me that edit this. You're wicked.
Okay, let me show you.
Yeah, see. Damn. What's up, Miss Snore loud? You all up in my face. I could see them bumps. Oh, sleep all the time. Alexa. Oh shit, Alexa. It's now 7:11 in the morning. I think I'm going to take a nap now and then when we wake up, I go back to that thing, you know. I sleep bad. You get up?
I don't have work till later.
Alright. When I probably get that vlog late. Because when we wake up, I'm going to try to edit that vlog. The computer edit the movie now. I try to cut it down to about 10 minutes so I can watch it quick, you know. I remember if I don't like this, I want to see a part 2. I will continue it in our web series. I know. I want to do up like a concept. I think could be one bad web series. But when it drop, I'm going to check it out. I name it Obsession. Yeah. Obsession. I'll probably drop it today or tomorrow. I don't know. I'm going to make you know. The reason why I'm not turning on the camera for me, because my face, I know I'm ugly right now. Matter in my eye. I'm probably drew there in my mouth, so I'm not show my face. But this 95% done. I just have to do the color correction. And you see that long piece of something they cut that fade in better. I add one more instrumental to the end and I hit that. But the color correction are going to take a long time. Probably an hour or 2. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, enough you sleep with them, because them a crab me up in my back. Them a juke me in my back.
Oh.
You need to have to take off your glasses.
Take it off me.
Oh, them? Them, eh? No? You already sleeping at them. You have to take them off now for. And then you have to put them on back when you wake up. You got from your penis. Yo, no, what that? See me catch up on the camera and do it. Oh, accident. You're too nasty, man. But vlog world, big up on yourself. And yeah, probably end the vlog that way. Thanks for watching this vlog. Remember, leave a like down there, so. And remember, look out for this Obsession short film. Well, series. I go say series. Regardless how I'm still going to call it series. Obsession series. You see me? A mad thing. So stay tuned and go and do it for your vlog. Me go sleep. Me tired of fuck. Me I chat fuck. Yeah.
Me I try to elevate. Me really want to elevate up. Me I try to elevate. Me know me I go elevate up.